Sometimes we carry things we don't even realize. A clenched jaw, tight shoulders, a loop of thoughts we can't quite turn off. We tell ourselves to power through, hold it together. But the truth is, we were never meant to carry it all. There is quiet strength in letting go, even just a little. A softening, a loosening, a breath. Letting go isn't giving up. It's creating space for something new. This is your fourth stone. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Now bring awareness to your shoulders. Let them drop just a little. Bring awareness to your jaw. Soften it. Bring awareness to your hands. Unclench. Uncurl. Let gravity hold them. Now silently ask, what am I holding on to that I don't need right now? No need to fix it. Just name it, and with your next breath, imagine setting it down. Inhale. Exhale. Loosen the grip. Breathe again, and let it be enough for now. Letting go can happen in layers. Sometimes it starts with breath, or a shift in posture, or a simple decision to not carry everything alone. This moment didn't fix everything, but maybe you're holding just a little less. That's the fourth stone. One breath, one shift, one calm ripple.